Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your name in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Do note that you can change your name from Badoo's mobile application as well. Right now, what we want to do is simply go to profile. Once you're in the profile page, worry not, let's simply edit our profile. The button's right here next to settings, simply click on it. Then this will open up. Simply scroll down till you see your name and location. The button's right here, I'm simply gonna click on this tab. Now this will open up. Well, here is my name at the very top. You can change your gender, your location from here as well. I'm simply gonna change my name, and once everything's okay, I'll just click on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your name in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.